Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be disassembling an Oraimo Smart watch. We want to see the components inside this smart watch. So we are going to start by removing both straps of the watch. Let's remove the first strap. Then we take off the other strap. So we are left with the main part of the watch. To open up the watch, we will need to apply hot air around the surface of the watch. This will weaken the glue holding the watch together. The hot air can be from hot air dryer or any other source of hot air. So I had already applied hot air on the watch surface area. We can now gently open up the watch from the side. Then we can take off the upper cover of the smartwatch. The screen of the smartwatch is now visible. We will now carefully lift off the screen which is stick to the battery of the watch. In doing this, we have to be very careful, because the flex cable is attached to the lower circuit board sensor of the smartwatch. If the flex cable gets damaged, the watch will not work anymore. The next step is to separate the battery from the PCB of the smartwatch. It clearly shows that the battery was soldered to the watch chipboard with black and red wire, indicating the positive and the negative terminals of the battery. Let's take off the sticky black paper covering the PCB. These are the terminals that charges the smartwatch, which are in turn connected to the USB port, where it charges when connected to a power source. The other side of the chip's board is the screen. So let us try and take off the screen. We have to be very gentle with the screen, to avoid damaging the screen, or cracking it. So we have successfully separated the screen from the chip's board. Let's take off the sticky black paper covering the PCB. We can see the connection all the way from the main PCB to the inner smaller sensor board, which makes the footstep counter and the heart rate monitor. So it is a very simple smartwatch with less complicated components. The components can easily be replaced if damaged without much stress. So lastly, we would reassemble the watch back. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. We put back the battery. Then the screen and screen cover. We then clip it back together. Then finally, we put back the straps of the Oraimo Smart watch. It is a very good and simple smartwatch from Oraimo. Thanks for watching my video.